Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Uneli. She is busy ironing iwashing or ironing clothes lapayana. Uenzeni is busy signing some book. Ingatinje, she's getting late for school, but whatever she's doing, she's in a hurry. So Uneli looks at Uenzeni, looks at what Uenzeni is doing, and she's like, "Hey, bo, Uenzeni, uyazisayinela." Uwenzeni then says to Uneli, "Relax, Nelly. I've done a lot of things." She takes the book, she puts it in her bag, and she's like, "Bye-bye." She leaves the room. Uneli looks at Utrina. Utrina's busy there. Angazi ukuthi is she putting in laundry yakhe, washing machine or something like that. But Uneli's like, "Sister, uyayibona lento eyenziwa ile ngane? Hey, hayi shame kuningi nje okwenzakalayo la ekhaya ngikutshele." Obviously, Utrina is intrigued by what Uneli just said ukuthi kuningi that's happening la ekhaya. So Utrina looks at Uneli and she's like, "Indaba manje wahleba, usho ukuthini?" Uneli is like, "Ngeke uzukholelwe ukuthi ngiboneni." Then Utrina's like, "Hayibo indaba, oh wasuhleba manje, like what is going on?" Uneli is like, "Ubaba uDlamini ngimbone efaka isitobho sakwenzo eplastikini." Uqina then says, "Ngempela." Uneli's like, "Yebo." Then uQina's like, "Oh, so wenza isense-ke manje." Uneli's like, "Yini eyenza isense?" And then Unokuzana, Uqina, she checks the codes to make sure ukuthi no one is listening on them. She goes on to say ukuthi uyakwazi ukugcina imfihlo wena Neli. Uneli's like, "Hayi khuleka mina, oh like ungangithemba ngiyakwazi ukugcina imfihlo." Uqina goes on to say apparently uVusi akazalwa ubaba wala ekhaya. Njengoba ubona iziqupho nje zinyamalala, shuthi uzama ukwenza i-DNA test. Uneli's like, "Sisiqina ha." Uqina goes on to say, "Ayi kodwa-ke noma kwenzakalani Neli, mina noVusi nje sizama ukuyisotha out yonke lento, ngeke size siphume lana si-broke nje." Uneli's like, "Hayibo." She's in disbelief, and then Uqina's like, "Ithi ngikushiye, oh she leaves nje kanjalo." Yeah, I am just surprised by the whole thing of Uqina saying ukuthi we are not going to leave here si-broke. Anyway, next scene, guys, we see Upeteni. She is looking so miserable, you guys. She is just staring into dead air, and then uNomfundo walks in. So Nomfundo comes in, she's like, "Ngaba konke kuhamba kahle?" Upeteni then goes on to say ukuthi ngizwa ingathi ngiyapanishwa Nomfundo. Unomfundo's like, "Uyapanishwa? Upanisha ubani?" Upeteni says, "Unjengaye. Ungivusela amaphutha akudala. Indaba amadoda enje, ethanda ukubambelela ezintweni ezinganamsebenzi." Unomfundo says, "Ngoba amadoda akhohlakele. That's why. Akhohlakele. Kwamina nje ngiyafila ingathi ngiyapanishwa nje." And then uPhetheni looks at her and she's like, "Kanjani?" Unomfundo's like, "Ngihlukene nomxolisi, sengisingle phela." And then uPhetheni is like, "Oh, okay." Unomfundo's like, "Yazi, ngiyathemba ukuthi unjengaye uzofika isikhathi la ezobona khona ukuthi lento ayenzayo imbi. Ihlakaza nje umndeni wakhe." And then uPhetheni says, "Yeah, uyacaca nje ukuthi vele unjengayo ufuna ukuhlakaza umndeni wakhe." Unomfundo's like, "Usho ukuthini?" Then uPhetheni then says ukuthi phela unjengayo ufuna ukwenza ama-DNA test kuzo zonke iy'ngane. Kuzophuvani lokho? Kuzophuvani lokho? She starts crying. She's like, "Ngipanishelwani mina Nomfundo? Ngipanishelwani? Ngipanishelwa ukuthi mina ngithanda umndeni wami, Okay-ke, shuthi-ke ngipanishela ukuthi ngithanda umndeni wami. That's it. Ayikho enye into." And then the scene ends like that. I'm just like, uNomfundo is busy saying amadoda akhohlakele just because umxolisi left her. No, Nomfundo, you were the wrong one in that situation. But anyway, uPhetheni, she had a chance to open up and to speak the truth. I'm just not sure at this point, even if uPhetheni spoke the truth before Nengenosi, if Unjengayo would have sympathized or treated the situation any different. Next scene, uVusi is in his office, he's on the phone, he's ukhuluma phone, he's busy saying, "I'll sort it out as soon as possible. Can you please just give me some time? Hello? Hello?" As SDT hello, kusho ukuthi lo muntu he was speaking to hung up. Utrina walks into the office. Utrina walks into the office with his lunch bag. She's like, "Bengicabanga ukuthi uzokudinga lokhu, ubukhohliwe ekuseni." Uvusi is like, thank you so much. Uthina then says, yini ngathi izinto azihambi kahle, like why ngathi u-stressed nyani? Uvusi is like, hayi no sithanda sami, usuku lami la namhlanje nje awuqalanga kahle. Ama-suppliers ayangifonela ngapha nangapha, anama-demands angapheli nje. And then ugcina is like, ncese sithanda sami, kodwa-ke ngiyathemba ukuthi you'll be able to handle everything. Uvusi is like, yeah, nobaba ngapha ufuna ukungithathela yonke into engeyami. Ugcina is like, angifuni ukuthi uyithathe lento uyibeke emqondweni yakho kakhulu. Sizokwazi. As she's speaking like that, Uvusi cuts her off, and Uvusi is like, yazi ukuthini sithanda sami, ngineplani lana. Ugcina is like, iplani yani. And then Uvusi says, ngicabanga ukuthi kuzomele si-create i-profile eyi-fake yama-supplier. Ugcina is like, i-fake supplier isebenza kanjani leyo nto? Uvusi is like, okay-ke. So nayi into esizoyenza, sizovula i-profile e-fake enama-details akho, and then bese sishintsha lapha nalapho, bese-ke sisubmitha ama-invoice a-fake. So yonke imali esiyenzayo izongena kwi-account yakho, and akekho umuntu ozokwazi ngaleyo mali. Ugcina like, okay, izwakala njengeplan e-right, kodwa ayinabo ubungozi lento. Ingathi nomsebenzi omningi, angeke ithathe isikhathi eside angithi. Uvusi then says, ngicabanga okwamanje sithandwa sami, mele sifunde ukubekezela. Ngoba if siyayikhakamela lento, uSibalikhulu uzoyisola yonke lento. Khumbula ukuthi unale range ezayo esebukhosini, right? Ugcina zathi, okay. Uvusi then says, so kunama-suppliers amaningi that will be added left, right, and center. Akekho umuntu ozokwazi ukubona ukuthi le profile eyi-fake eyethu. And then boom, sinemali. Ugcina like, okay. Kodwa-ke kuzomele ube careful, uyamazi-ke uSibalikhulu ukuthi unjani, akaxoli. And then that scene ends like that. Guys, I am just wondering ukuthi, I just feel like this plan is so silly because Uvusi is willing to move the money to someone who is so close to him, which is the wife. And the risk of having everything in Utrina's name, you guys, I just feel like obviously if there's checks that are done in a business and there's money that's missing, the first people they're going to do investigation on is Vusi and their spouses. So why not outsource the money to maybe another account that is nowhere linked to them? Hey guys, this thing angiyithembi mina. Anyway, next scene uSamke is at uNomfundo's house. They're busy drinking tea laphayana. uNomfundo's like, ngiyazama nje. Ngiyazama ukuthi ngizithole. We can see uNomfundo ukhowisha i-break up, you guys. uSamke then says ukuthi yeah, ngiyaxolisa. Kunzima ukuhlukana nomuntu when you just started ukumjwayela, when you just started ukumthanda. uNomfundo then says yeah, uSamke then says kodwa-ke mengikubhekile ustrong wena Nomfundo. And then they both smile. Then uSamke goes on to say ukuthi khona-ke into engifuna ukuyikhuluma nawe. uNomfundo's like, oh, okay. And then uSamke says, no, it's about uSibongile. uNomfundo's like, okay, like willing to listen. Then uSamke goes on to say ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi sibuyisane, sizwane nje njengaqala, kodwa angazi ukuthi ngiqale kuphi, sengimoshe kakhulu. uNomfundo then says, inhle lento ozama ukuyenza, inhle. How? Why ungam-honorishi ngomemulo? Umenzela umemulo, lokho kuzomkhombisa ukuthi uyamthanda, uyamhlonipha. Mhlampe that's what the both of you and uSibongile need. And then uSamke is like, Nomfundo, umemulo, why didn't I think of that? Ngiyabonga, ngiyazi ukuthi uzokujabulela uSibongile this whole thing. uNomfundo's like, umemulo will mean ukuthi uyambona njengetshitshi, uyamhlonipha, uyamvaluisha, awukhulume naye uze ukuthi uzothini. Then uSamke is like, yeah, you can see ukuthi uSamke is excited about this. You guys, the way Samke is willing to go all out just to get along with uSibongile, but she doesn't do that with uSangweni and the other one. Guys, I just kind of feel like it's somehow. But anyway, I mean, she's trying to win her man even more because I mean her man, which is Uvuma, his special kid is uSibongile. Anyway, next scene ke guys, we see uNelly, uMamVibe noThulisile, they were sitting at kitchen. uNelly uNondaba is busy saying ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ningithembise ukuthi lento engizoyikhuluma njengamanje ningayikhulumi nangephutha nje. I'm just like uNelly akatshelanga ukuthi she must keep quiet about this thing, but yes, she is busy composing with uMamV and uThulisile. uThulisile is like, yazini, oh, athi ngivale isicabha khona sizohleba kahle nje. uThulisile gets up, she closes the door, she's like, all right, ukhuluma. Oh, uNelly is like, okay. Kade ngikhuluma noSisigcina. Uthi uSisigcina ubaba uDlamini ubusy wenza i-DNA test ngoba uyasola ukuthi ungenzeka one of these children may not be his. uMavis is like, hi. uThulisile then says, hi bo Nelly. uMavis is like, hi bo, ungabi sabuza uVusi. Vusi is the child that is not his. uThulisile is like, na. uMavis is like, uVusi. uThulisile then says, where my Imani. Mina ngithi uwenzeni uwewe. Uyabona leya ngane iyahlupha. Uwenzeni uyinkinga nje. Kihlukile leya ngane nje uyena. uNelly is like, ningathini if ngukwenzo? Then all of them just laugh. They're all laughing because it's ridiculous. uKwenzo is like uNjengaye. The way they do things, the way they're into business and all of that. uMavis is like, kanjani manje? Ayikhohlwa. Uyabona nje loyo uKwenzo benobaba wakhe, they are inseparable. Yazi ngicela ukuthi senzeni lana, siyenze le ndaba nje ibe mnandi nje. uThulisile is like, yeah, okay, silalele. uMavis is like, nginemali lana, ngifuna ukuthi siyishaye endishini, mina ngibhecha ngoVusi. uThulisile is like, okay, ngiyayithanda ke lena nina. uNelly is like, hi bo, senenza umdlalo ngalento niyabona ke. uMavis is like, ngiyabhecha ngoVusi mina manelizana. uThulisile is like, hey bo, skipha malini MamV. uMamV says, nangu 200 wami ngubekela phansi. uThulisile is like, hayi mina ke MamV anginayo ke. uMamV is like, hayi wena uphindiselani ngoba ngikubonile uyisigebengu wena. And then uThuli goes on to say, nami ke ngijoyina uMamV ngithi nguVusi. uMavis then says, ayize Nelly, ayize. uNelly is like, angidlali mina, yazi lento serious kanjani. uThuli is like, ngena uthi uwenzeni, ngena ubheche ngowenzeni. uMavis is like, ngiyakutshela, nizongitshela futhi ukuthi nizosho ukuthi ngasho ukuthi uVusi. Vusi is the child that does not belong to uNjengaye. That scene then ends. Next scene that we see uSamke, she is at rest, guys. She's going to see uSibongile. I'm like, yo, Samke is working overtime, you guys. So anyway, Samke is busy saying to uSibongile, jongoba wazi mntanami ukuthi vele izinto zivele zathi ubheda phakathi kwami nawe. Kodwa ke njengoba mina nobaba wakho sesizilungisile izinto, sike sakhuluma ukuthi funeke izinto zilunge futhi sizilungise nawe ke. uSibongile then smiled. uSamke goes on to say, so sithe mesixoxa sinobaba wakho ke, mina ngasuggesta ukuthi unganjani sikwenzele umemulo. Yo guys, uSibongile's eyes lighten up. She's like, umemulo, mina ma. uSamke's like, yeah. uSibongile's like, hi ma, angicabangi ukuthi ungifanele lokho. uSamke's like, hi Sibongile, ungenzi kanjalo. Yazi udlala kabi wena ngento enkulu kangaka. Mntanami, uya-understand ukuthi young girls out there ukuthi bangakanani that could not keep themselves njengaleli ndlela osigcine ngayo. Uziphethe kahle wena. Ayikho enye indlela njengabazali esingakubonisa ngayo ukuthi siyakuthanda nokukubonga nje. Ukubonga nje ukuthi siyaziqhenya ngawe. uSibongile smiled and she's like, ngiyabonga ma, angazi ukuthi ngithini, like angazi. uSamke like, hayi ungasho lutho ngoba ngiyakwazi wena angisathembi into ezophuma emlonyeni wakho njengamanje. Then they both laugh. uSamke goes on to say ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi wazi ukuthi uyathandwa yimina nobaba wakho. And then uSibongile says, ngiyabonga ma. She gets up, she hugs uSamke, she's like, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Next scene ke uVuma benoKhuzwayo are sitting in the kitchen ebusuku, you guys. Like you can see ukuthi balinde uSangweni. Usangweni angene ngomnyango-ke, he comes in, is like, sanibonani. Ukhuzwayo is like, awuhlale phansi wena, hlala phansi. Usangweni comes to the kitchen, he sits down. Uvuma says, Sangweni, sikhathele ile mikhuba yakho. Ngike ngakuhlalisa phansi ngakhuluma nawe njengomuntu okhulile, kodwa nje uyaqhubeka nale mkhuba yakho, uyaqhubeka nokungilinga. Then ukhuzwayo says, Sangweni, uzomele ukuthi uyithathe serious le nto ngoba leli ithuba lakho lokugcina-ke. You can see, guys, on Usangweni's face, he is unbothered by what Uvuma and Ukhuzwayo is saying. Usangweni then goes on to say, if mina ngithi angenzi ngale ndlela enisho ngayo, ngiyaqhubeka ngale ndlela engenza ngayo, nizokwenzani? Nizongenzani? Nizongishaya ngebhande? Kanti ngiyingane encane for ukuthi ngishawe ngebhande? Yo, guys, while Usangweni is speaking like that, Ukhuzwayo just loses it. Aphakama, khipha ibhande, starts hitting Usangweni. Usangweni is like, malume, ngishayelani? Uyangizala, ungishayelani? Ukhuzwayo is like, wazini wena ngokuzala? He? Wazini wena ngokuzala? Usangweni just gets up, he leaves. Ukhuzwayo then says, hamba uyofa, hamba. Uvuma ngalani uzama ukhuza, he's like, sibali. Ukhuzwayo is like, hey, sibali, nengane. Then the scene ends like that. Yo, guys, angazi ukuthi Usangweni ungene yini, but listen, it looks like no one can get through to him. Next scene, Unjengaye and Unomfundo are having dinner at Unomfundo's house. The way Unjengaye is so happy there, guys, ingati, like, you forgot for a second. Ingati, he forgot for a second. Uti, he left his marriage bed, he left his wife, who's stressing over him. Ubhizi lana, uridina wanomfundo abumnandi, kuyahlewa. So Unjengaye is like, yo, hi, wow. Umona phansi shem, imnandi nje lesisibindi senkomo, hayi shem, indlela sipheka ngayo, hayi akekho ngakudlula Nomfundo. Unomfundo is like, ithi wena nje ukuthi uyazithandela ukudla. Unjengaye is like, okuphekwe wena phela. Unomfundo is like, yazi abantu besilisa ngempela bafunani? Unjengaye then says ukuthi hayi ilula phela leyo. Bafuna ukudla isibindi esiphekwe wena every single day. Unomfundo is like, uyazi Sibakhulu, I've seen you fight for your desires. Ndaphina ngabona futhi ukuthi uyakwazi ukuba umuntu. Uzubuhlungu, yes. Uwenzile amaphutha. Manje into engingayi-understand yini ekwenza ukuthi ungakwazi ukwamkela amaphutha that uPhetheni did years ago, whereas now wenzile amaphutha. Mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi wena wedwa that has been hurt before. Kodwa uyakhohlwa ukuthi uPhetheni uke wamzwisa ubuhlungu ngendaba kaBoyboy. Kodwa wakuxolela uPhetheni, wena uready ukudestroya umuzi wakho wonke ngenxa yale nonsense ye-DNA oyenzayo. Le nto oyenzayo Njengaye, it's not right, futhi yi-revenge le oyenzayo. Then Njengaye then says, Mfufu, yazi akulula njengoba ucabanga, futhi-ke nama-results sewafikile. Unomfundo zakho ungawavuli. Njengaye looks at her, is like, ngingawavuli? Unomfundo zakho ungawavuli. I mean, like, is it not enough that you've caused uPhetheni so much pain ngokumsola nje? I'm like, what does Nomfundo mean ngokumsola? Because unengelosi confirmed ukuthi uPhetheni did cheat. And then Njengaye goes on to say ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi ngivele ngizibe kanjalo le ndaba. Unomfundo is like, and uzokwazi. Sometimes the hardest and bravest decision is to just forgive. Then the scene ends like that. I don't know what Dununu is Unomfundo going through. Maybe she doesn't have the full information. Akaphume kule nto Unomfundo and let Njengaye just do the test, because listen, uPhetheni, knowing the woman she is, she was never gonna speak the truth. Anyway, guys, that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.